We'll guide you through how to add a website or web page to bookmarks in Google Chrome. Bookmarks are really useful because they let you quickly open your favorite websites directly from the top of your browser. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now head over to any website or web page you want to bookmark. For example, I'm going to open YouTube and search for a channel. Once you're on the page you want to save, go to the address bar at the top. On the right-hand side, click on the star icon. This option says Bookmark this tab. Once you click it, a small window will appear. You can also rename the bookmark if you want. Here, you can choose where to save the bookmark. Make sure it's set to Bookmarks bar. Now click Done. Your bookmark has now been added. Now, if you added the bookmark but can't see it at the top of Chrome, then the Bookmarks bar is probably hidden. To show it, click on the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome. Next, select Settings. From the left-hand side, click on Appearance. Now find the option called Show Bookmarks Bar and turn it on. Once enabled, your bookmarks bar will appear at the top of Chrome and you'll be able to quickly open your saved websites with one click. And that's it. That's how to add bookmarks in Google Chrome. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.